Switch gears, mastering the art of changing topics in English. Hello, English explorers. Today we're diving into a commonly used English expression, switch gears. Have you ever heard someone use it during a conversation? Well, if you're curious about what it means and how you can use it, you're in the right place. Let's get started and switch gears into learning mode. Switch gears is a metaphorical phrase borrowed from the world of automobiles. In a car, you switch gears to change speed or adapt to new driving conditions. When we switch gears in conversation, we are changing the subject or shifting our focus from one activity to another. It's like telling our brains to prepare for something different. You can use switch gears in various situations. For example, in meetings, when moving from one agenda item to another. Now that we've discussed our sales strategy, let's switch gears and talk about marketing. In classrooms, when a teacher changes topics, we've finished discussing Shakespeare, it's time to switch gears to modern literature. In everyday conversation, when changing the subject, we've talked a lot about work. Let's switch gears and plan our weekend. Let's see switch gears in action through some examples. Dialogue in a meeting. We've covered our financial review, so let's switch gears and brainstorm our upcoming product launch. During a presentation, that concludes our overview of the current market trends. Now, let's switch gears and look at our company's performance. Here are some tips for using switch gears seamlessly in your English conversations. Pair it with a clear transition. Switching gears now, I'd like to introduce our next speaker. Use body language to support the verbal shift. A pause, change in posture, or a new slide can indicate that you are switching gears. And there we have it. You now know how to switch gears in English conversation. This phrase is a handy tool to smoothly transition from one topic to another. I hope this video has been enlightening, and you feel confident using switch gears in your daily English. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!